I'm Giulia, and today I'm here with Massimo and Michal to talk about the topic of the topics, artificial intelligence. It's a very controversial topic, actually. Everyone has been speaking about it in the last few years, and we have progressively increased its use in our daily working and personal life with tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Meta AI. But AI is not just that, right? So, Michal, as a data scientist and AI specialist, can you help us understanding what AI is?
Thank you, Julia. That's a very good question. And you're right. It's easy to think that AI is just a tool like ChatGPT or Meta or Perplexity that everybody's using. But AI is, in fact, a much broader field that is dedicated to creating systems that are supposed to mimic human cognitive functions. It's about getting the computer to learn from experience, to reason through patterns, and to make decisions. At the core of artificial intelligence lies in its subfields like machine learning or deep learning, where we create algorithms to automatically draw insights from large datasets. The tools you mentioned are a specific and very exciting type of AI called generative AI that creates new content. But the field also includes things like computer vision or robotics
or natural language processing.
So while the generative AI is definitely a breakthrough, it's only a subset of capabilities that fall under a vast field of artificial intelligence.
All right, cool. But I would like you to be more specific. Can you please give us some practical examples of how companies can introduce AI in their business?
There are many practical ways for a company to introduce AI tools. For example, in marketing and sales, you can create a dedicated campaign or predict the product a customer is likely to buy. For customer service, AI chatbots can handle routine standard inquiries, bring staff to perform or to take care of more complex issues. In logistics and supply chain, AI tools can optimize delivery routes or manage storage in a way where you avoid overstocking or shortages. And finally, in operations, we can also use AI tools for predictive maintenance, where you analyze the data from the machines and you schedule repairs before breakdown happens.
That's very interesting. Massimo, as you work closely with companies and people, what are the advantages of implementing such solutions? Why a CEO, a marketing manager, an operation manager, or a C-level of a company should adopt the tools Michal just mentioned?
There are several benefits and reasons that support the AI adoption by C-levels. As a decision maker for my company and based on the relationship with the clients and the companies I talk with, we need people to focus on more high-value work. We need them to be happy with their daily working life.
Sure.
And usually C-levels expect greater efficiency. And just take an example, by completing tasks faster, you can accomplish more within the same time. Also, the quality of the work is going to improve because people will be able to avoid tedious and repetitive tasks. And these are tasks that usually people find demotivating. There's a concept, however, that needs to be clearly understood. AI cannot improve a poorly designed process, but it gives an enormous boost to a well-structured.
All right, so what are the main issues companies are facing now in the implementation of AI?
Recently, I read an interesting MIT article. Larger companies are reporting that bigger AI projects need an extended time frame to be completed. Meanwhile, however, people started using, in an uncontrolled way, personal productivity tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, and so on. And this tells us that people want to use AI. Of course, this may raise a concern regarding security and efficiency. For this reason, we cannot live on their own, and we need to support AI adoption. Companies need to adopt AI before users start adopting it by themselves.
That's nice, but you are telling me that companies need to be guided through the AI adoption process. So how Emm&mmE is dealing with artificial intelligence, and how would you describe its approach to AI?
Well, we have developed a replicable method for the successful adoption of AI within organizations. And this approach is now offered to our clients, guiding them through their digital transformation.
Okay.
We are going to ensure that AI is only used where it truly adds value, whether in DevOps or in software development or to other critical services. As for our own work at Emm&mmE, AI is now becoming a core element. We leverage AI both to boost personal productivity with tools like Copilot or GitHub Copilot, and through the deployment of tailored vertical agents, such as our vertical HR agent.
AI is becoming a significant and critical feature of the digital transformation process. But, Michal, I would like to ask you, what does it mean to work in the AI team of Emm&mmE?
Working in Team AI means that we are at the very heart of the digital transformation process that Massimo mentioned. For us, it means deeply understanding clients' business challenge and building a custom solution to solve it. Given our strong background in academic research, we are able to stay on top of the recent developments, and we are able to use it for real-life application. Every project is an opportunity to push the boundaries and to deliver smarter data-driven solutions. But we are not only data scientists, we are also problem solvers that partner with our clients to ensure that our solutions are sustainable and that they create a real and lasting impact. So our ultimate goal is to empower businesses to make smarter decisions, to increase their efficiency, and to let them discover new opportunities.
Great, thank you guys for your time. Hope this video helped you understand a little more the real potential of AI. So if you have any questions or if you want to share your project, call us and see you soon.
Bye.